This is a global stocktake conference, COP28. We are trying to take stock of where we are at as a globe to ensure that we do not go beyond the 1.5 degrees centigrades according to the Paris Agreement in 2015.
As we work towards a zero carbon future, we must work equally towards being nature positive.
So we need to phase out fossil fuels, restore nature and strengthen nature.
Nature is the best technology available to capture and store CO2.
The conversation has begun. Now it's about leaning into that knowledge and building this environmental movement to reflect the things that we do care about. It's not just about how much carbon can we capture. It's about how can we promote biodiversity and human well-being. And if we achieve those things, we'll get incredible carbon capture as a byproduct.
I think how we keep this conversation moving forward away from the COP is to take those networks that we have struck in this space and bring it home to our youth-led and grassroots actions, because there's a whole life that happens outside of the COP. I think it's a continuous cycle, that the COP is just a spot on the long linear process.
So we can't have a conversation, biodiversity on its own and have climate on its own. It has to be combined.
I have a dream. Let's try to organize in Brazil at least a back-to-back COP. So COP on biodiversity and COP on climate.
I am very excited about the Brazil COP. And I cannot wait to see what they do with the COP presidency, enforcing, in particular, the way we get nature into the conversation.